Got credit issues? Need a car? Don't worry. Let your car guy help you. I'm Sid and I can help you. Hi, I'm Sid Robinson and I work at Joe Ferguson Buick GMC here in Colorado Springs. And today I want to talk to you about you want to buy a car but you have bad credit. Unfortunately, a lot of people end up in this situation because of today's economy. Bad things happen to good people, and I understand that. But you need transportation to get to and from work and to be able to run errands. It's important to understand that you've got to be practical and that eventually you'll be able to buy what you want. But for now, you need to buy based on need. For example, a Yukon Denali most likely won't work, but a Chevrolet Cruze may. Cars are the easiest to get financed, and SUVs are a little harder, and trucks are harder yet. You need to keep the cost of the vehicle to something that's pretty affordable when you're in a bad credit situation. You've got to start small, and then as time goes by, you can trade up. If you buy something really expensive and you buy it at a high interest rate, it will cost you a lot of money in interest. In that situation, in a year or two, you'll probably be quite a bit upside down. But if you buy like a $10,000 car, you won't be too bad off when you go to trade it in a year or so. Here are a list of things that you're going to need when you come to the car dealership. Number one, you need money down. Most banks will require 20% down. That's another good reason to keep the cost of the car down. Number two, you will need proof of income, usually the last two pay stubs. Number three, you will need proof of residency. This can usually be a bill of some sort with your name and address on it. You should have at least 6 references, the more the better. These special situations take time to complete, so the day that you decide to come down, make sure you have plenty of time available. Now, something to note, that if you are not a W-2 employee but rather a 1099, you are going to have additional issues. 1099 employees are harder to get done because you are basically a subcontractor. All is not lost though. You will need 2 years of tax returns to prove your income. If you are in a BK situation, then you most likely will want to wait until after the bankruptcy is discharged, such as Chapter 7, and then you'll be able to purchase a car. If you're doing a Chapter 13, then you will need permission from the trustees to make the purchase. If that's the case, you will need to bring a copy of the letter from the trustee saying it's okay to buy a car. Also, beware of buy here, pay here programs. You'll pay more for a vehicle along with high interest rates. Also, the idea is to rebuild your credit, and most of these buy here, pay here programs don't report to the credit bureaus. I would only use such programs as a last resort, but even with those programs, you still will need money down. I hope this helps, and I'll see you next time.